We had moved our stop on the remaining set of contract, the remaining two sets. We moved our stop loss to break even. It did trade down to 61.50. I will tell you that this is the move for this trade in terms of what we're going to do with these two remaining profit targets, and whether we're going to try to ride it out a little bit longer or not. Now that it traded down and retraced a little bit down to 61.50, here comes another little push up, and this little push is going to determine how much steam, at least, again, we're minute by minute. It's got nothing to do with what's going to happen in an hour from now. It's got to do with what's going to happen right now. And so this will be the little push for this trade. And if it's going to push higher here, following that little retracement, this will be the time that it does so, or we look to go ahead and take our profits here on the remaining open contracts. So let's see if we get this push. I'll try to stay tuned here for just a little bit and see if we can make just a little bit of a push higher. I'll tell you what I did do is I took the third profit target and I moved it way up. I don't even know if we'll see it. Yeah, 67.50. I moved it up to an area that if we get a wild screamer right here, which sometimes happens, as I showed you on Friday, it allows us to play that. And again, I'm the odds of that happening, I'm not suggesting it will right here, but we're prepared for it if it does happen, and we can adjust it. Just click on it and move it as we need to and drop it down a little bit. Also, what's going to happen when you have a profit target up there like that, at least in my own particular case, I'll be using a trailing stop. I mean, if we get through this 63 and start trading higher, I'm going to move my stop, which is now break even. I'll keep moving it up as a trailing stop and make sure it doesn't take all my profit away. So it's not like we're going to be trading at 65.50, 65.75, and I'm still going to have my stop loss at break even. We'll be looking to protect at that point. And so anyway, that's where we are. I was hoping it was going to trade through there a little bit, and so I could show you this next little bump up, which I still think may occur, but we've got to watch here. And if it doesn't happen on this little move in the next minute, we're going to look to take our profits on the remaining contracts on this trade.